Hello everyone, this is Business Plus and we're today again. Guys, as you can see, this is the VIP and we have a signal for jump 75, and you can see the entry point, which is 89590, and I placed my SL at another zone at 93614. Okay, then we sell jump 75 on H1 time frame. Now let's see the result, guys. This is the result for jump 75 on 1 minute time frame. So as you can see, this is live trading signal, right? So for jump 75 on 1 minute time frame. Now let me quickly jump into the analysis, but before I do that, I want you to click the subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I drop another video, you'll be able to see that. And also, if you're interested in joining my VIP, you can just message me on Telegram at BizNetPlus, BISNETPLUS CEO. That's Business Plus CEO. So guys, that's it. Let's jump into the analysis. So guys, we are here. This is jump 75 on H1 time frame. Now let me quickly explain this to you without wasting much of your time. But before I do that, when I'm talking about zones, I want you to know that I'm talking about the area of support and resistance. As you can see on this chart, we have a very strong resistance at 96513. Mind you, this is on phone, on mobile, so the lines might not be that accurate. So we have it at 96513 again. So we have another at this point here, okay, which is very strong at this point to this point here, okay. So it's very strong at this point. Let me place it there. So that's at 90715. Okay, so now I also want us to notice something. So if you are doing your price action analysis, okay, so you need to understand exactly how the chart is behaving. So we have another line at this area, another resistance at this area, which is this, okay. So sorry for my voice, I have cold. Yeah, so we have another resistance at that point there. Now let's go back to the signal and you can see my entry point. My EP is at my EP is at 89590. Now let's locate 89590 with another line. 89590 should be a bit at the top. 896. Let's look for 5. 8959. Let's leave it at this. Okay. So this is my EP. The third line is my entry point. Now the question is, why did I take my sell trade at that point? Now let me explain. Let me zoom in, zoom out a bit. So now you can see the third line. Now let me use an arrow so that you guys can see properly. Remember, we have this line at 90715, okay, and we have another here, okay. Now look at this resistance line, and as you can see on H1 is resisting the chart from breaking through this point. Now after when you have considered this in the first place, then you now look at this zone, which is a very strong support. Remember, a support can turn to resistance if your chart or your candlestick is going down. Okay, and if it's going up, a resistance can also turn to be a support. So that's one of the important things that you guys should note. Now let's see, at this point we have a breakout at this point. Okay, now look at it here. Let's assume this is our entry, right? You can see the number is not as accurate as what I have in the VIP. So let's assume this is our entry, right? And I want you to note a retest of a candle line, a candlestick rather, a candlestick, which is this, okay, which is this. Can you see the retest of that candlestick? And the retest took us up to this point here. Okay, and mind you, don't forget we have a breakout, we have our resistance at this point here. Okay, so that's our resistance. Now after when I saw this candlestick, it went up, then when another candlestick came down to break it out at this point, so I follow it down. And one beautiful thing is that it broke through this zone, it consolidates around this place a bit, then we have a mighty spike down to this point. So that's where I had to take my profit. And the reason why I took my profit at another point is, let me show you, we have another strong zone below, which is the support. But for me, I don't usually wait till my trade will reach the exact point of the support before I make my decision. Okay, this is trading. It might not even get to that point before it start going back up. You can see we have a very strong support on H1 at this point here. Okay, which is pointing to my bad, sorry, which is pointing to the key zone at this point. Okay, so I don't have to let this wait till it gets there before I take my profit. Besides, we have a high volatility around this point to bring it down. Okay, so that volatility, if we should check it on M1 time frame, you can see it's exactly what you are seeing on the VIP. Okay, jump 75. So exactly what you are seeing on the VIP. Okay, so jump 75. Let me check this. Jump 75. You can see jump 75 on M1. You can see the candlestick that went really down deep. I couldn't find it. Let me see. Yeah, this is it. So this is it, guys. This is the candlestick that went really down. Okay, so that's why I took my profit. So guys, that's it for this video. Please, if you have not subscribed to the channel, I want you to kindly do that. And as I'm sending the signal, I'll be sending a video to back it up. Okay, though we still have some signals which came in profit in the VIP, but I'll have to leave that behind because I see that this is very important and a lot of people doesn't know how to study the breakout strategy, which is very, very important for every trader to know. So that's why I came up with this. So guys, I want you to stay blessed and please click on the subscription button, subscribe, turn on the notification bell and give a thumbs up. So guys, that's it for this video. Thank you and stay blessed. Business Plus.